Hi, I'm Ravi, back to you to discuss about different types of force systems. So by the end of this learning dialogue, learner will be able to identify the type of force system acting on the rigid body or system of bodies as described in the configuration diagram. In the classification of force systems, our force systems can be grouped into a coplanar force system and a non-coplanar force system. A coplanar force system is one in which all the forces act on the same plane, whereas the non-coplanar force system in which the forces acting on the body will be on different planes. First, let us understand what is a force system. In the previous learning dialogues, we understood what is a force and its external effect. So the effect of a force may move the effect of a force on the rigid body may move the body along its line of action, or it may rotate the body at some point. So if n number of forces acts on a body, then such a group of forces together were called as a force system. And the way they act on the rigid body forms different types of force systems, by which they are mainly classified as coplanar force system and non-coplanar force system. And coplanar force system is of four types. It can be a collinear, parallel, non-concurrent, and concurrent. Non-coplanar force system may be parallel, concurrent, and non-concurrent. Now let us discuss in detail about a coplanar force systems. So this is a coplanar collinear force system. So here the picture we can understand a rectangle is a rectangular plate which was placed on a floor. It is acted upon by two forces P and Q and two ends. And if we observe, the line of action of these two forces are same. Hence we call these two forces as collinear forces. So if a body is acted upon such a force where all the line of action of all the forces were common, then we call it as a collinear force system. And as these two forces P and Q are on the same plane, hence it is coplanar collinear force system. So this is a coplanar parallel force system in which all the forces acting on the body will be on the same plane at the same time. They are parallel to each other. So all the forces acting on the body will be parallel to each other. And such a force system is called a coplanar parallel force system. Coplanar concurrent force system. So where all the forces acting on the body were coplanar and concurrent, means passing through a common point. Here we can see. So all the forces acting on the body, P, Q, R, S, T, U, are passing through a common point. The line of actions meet at a common point. So such a force system is called a coplanar concurrent force system. Coplanar non-concurrent force system. So here we have forces P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, where they are not passing through a common point. They are passing through different points, but were on the same plane. Hence they are called coplanar non-concurrent force system. Non-coplanar force systems. there are three different types: non-coplanar parallel force system, non-coplanar concurrent force system, non-coplanar non-concurrent force system. So this is a parallel force system where the forces acting on the body PQR are parallel to each other, but they are not coplanar. They are not acting on the same plane. They are acting on different planes. And such a force system is called non-coplanar parallel force system. Non-coplanar concurrent force system. Here we see the forces PQR as T were acting on a cube at one corner on the cube, which is a common point where all the forces were passing through this corner of the cube. But they are on different planes. Hence it is a non-coplanar concurrent force system. This is a very general case, non-coplanar non-concurrent force system, where all the forces acting will not be parallel to each other, nor pass through a common point, nor on the same plane. So the forces in this system acts on different planes and passes through different points and are not parallel to each other. Hence it is non-coplanar, non-concurrent, non-parallel force system. So now we could be able to understand the type of force system. We could be in a position to imagine the type of force system acting on a body, which could help us in finding out the resultant of a force system. Thank you.